Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning students. Subject I.C.T. Topic Unordered List or Bullet List of HTML. Standard 8 made by Kriti Chauhan. In last session, we learned about list and its first type, that is description list or definition list. Here we are going to understand about unordered list. We learned that the list presents list of information in well formed and semantic way. Unordered list presents list of items same as we'll make a list of grocery item we want to buy from the shop. In unordered list, the order of the listed item is not specific. That is, the sequence or its priority doesn't matter. The unordered list is also called bullet list. This unordered list or bullet list display elements in bullet format, and we generally use this list where the order of the item is not required. This list is defined using open UL tag and closed UL tag. Let us see the structure of unordered list. We write UL tag, which is accompanied by the attribute type where you define its value. Here the type is optional. Then we write open li tag and close li tag, which is used to list the item. The items are written between these tags. Once the list is completed, we close the UL tag with close UL using close UL tag. Here when we use attribute type with attribute name type, then we give value which defines the kind of bullet we want. There are 4 types of bullet. The first is disk, second circle, third square, and fourth none. Let us understand the 4 types of attribute in UL tag. The first type is disk. This type is default. That means when no type attribute is used in open UL tag, then by default the disk bullet will appear on the HTML page. Disks are nothing but the solid round bullet. Second type is circle. In this style, the list will marked with hollow circle. Third type is square. In this type, the list of item is marked with square bullet. And the fourth is none. Here the list of items are not marked with any bullet. Now let us see the example here. First we will create a basic HTML structure where we write open HTML tag, below that open head tag, and below that the title tag where the title of HT is mentioned, that is HTML unordered list. Then we close our title tag and then we close our head tag. Now we write open and close body tag, and we are going to define the header tag inside the body tag which specifies the topic of the content. Now we are going to see open UL tag and close UL tag with the list of items written between the open and close li tag, where items are where you can see the item such as HTML, Java, JavaScript and SQL. One thing you can observe here is there are 2 kinds of UL tag, one without any attribute and the second with an attribute. In first UL tag, there is no attribute used, and in the second set we can see that in open UL tag there is an attribute called type which specifies the valued disk. Now, once you have written the code, close your body tag and after that close your HTML tag. Now let us execute. After the execution of the program, we will observe what the result looks like. Here in this the image of the web page, you can see the title of the web page. There is the header and both the kind of list is present on the image. The first list uses disk bullet, and in this list we have not used any kind of attribute. In the second set of list we have used the attribute called type in UL tag, and we can see the disk bullet in the web page. Now here we can see that when there is no attribute used, the default value of the bullet is disk. Thus, we can see that both the set of UL tags have its own specific usage. Hope students you have understood this example and hope that you will practice this example pretty well. Thank you.